Now let's take a look at just what a contraction is. A contraction is when we can take two words and turn them into just one word, like I and am. We can turn I and am into I'm. We call the shortened words contractions. Contractions are when we take two words, we shorten them, and we use an apostrophe. The missing letters are replaced by the apostrophe. Let's take a look at some examples. For example, if we have the words I am and we shorten them, we can make the new word I'm. We took out the A and replaced it with the apostrophe shown in red. Let's take a look at another one. If we have the words we are and we want to shorten those two words and put them together, we can make the word we're, shown here. We took out the A, pushed the words together, and replaced it with an apostrophe. Let's take a look at one more. The next set of words is you are. If we want to shorten you are, we can say your. Let's take a look at what that would look like. Again, we took out the A, we pushed the words together, and we put the apostrophe where the A would be. Let's take a look at some more examples, and I want you to try to figure out what the contraction would be. Here we go. What would we have if we wanted to shorten the words they are and make a contraction? They are would be combined to make their. Let's try another one. He is. How could we shorten he is to make a contraction? We could say he's. Very good. You're going to do the rest of them on your own, practicing on your dry erase board. Again, this is just practice for today, so there's nothing that you will need to turn in, but you will turn in an activity on Wednesday, so the practice you do today will help you with that on Wednesday. Go ahead and take a look at the rest of the words and see if you can figure out how you would combine them to make a contraction for each set of words. If you need to stop the video while you try to think of the contraction or write it on your dry erase board, you can do that as we go. Let's try one more. Good job. Now you're going to practice reading some of these contractions before you get started with your reader for this week. Have fun!